Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am Farlie Solomons and today I'm going to show you how to create this hot holiday makeup look. The foundation I have used today is Beauty Blender Bounce and my shade is 3.50. The eyeshadow that I have used today is Revlon Color Stay. The palette that I have used today is Too Faced Pretty Rich. How gorgeous this palette is super beautiful. All the shades have become my favorite. The first shade goes its designer on the complete eyelid up to the brow bone. I have used a normal brush. You may use a flat brush for this too. Basically covering the entire eyelid with this shade. The next shade is its cashmere, goes on the crease line. Using a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going in circular motion, diffusing the shade into the crease line, right from the inner corner towards the outer corner. And then the shade Fancy That. Basically, I'm using a small blending brush just to place the shade on the outer corner and then using a fluffy blending brush to diffuse the shade into the crease line. Just like that. Get that? It's super easy, it's super gorgeous, and I'm sure towards the end you will understand the look completely. And then using Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, the shade is Follow the Sun. But it's very important to start with a small amount of the product first. Just like that. And then the shade Diamonds for Breakfast goes on the eyelid. I love all the names that they have used for the shades in this palette. They are super creative. I mean, I must say, I never came across names like this. And then using a blending brush to just diffuse the shades on the crease line. To wet the brush, I have used MAC Fix It, and then I have dipped the same brush into the eyeshadow that's called Diamonds for Breakfast, and that goes on the entire eyelid. And as you can see, this basically intensifies the eyeshadow. It makes it more brighter and it gives that kind of a kick to the eyeshadow. So this works really well. So the next shade is Oh That's Rich, and this goes on the outer corner. As you can see, I have just used a really small brush to place the shade and pull it out from the outer corner towards the eyebrow. And adding more of this shade, I'm just going to keep pulling it out. And then I have used a blending brush to diffuse it into the crease line and pulling it out towards the eyebrow. Always with light hands. Diffusing it as much as I can into the crease line also. And then using a smaller blending brush, I'm just going in circles. As you can see, basically this helps to diffuse the shade. And then going with Clutch Your Pearls. This goes on the inner corner as well as the brow bone. Get that? It's a super gorgeous look. I'm so proud of myself to come up with this look and present it to you. It's very easy. The number of shades that I've used, as you can see, is hardly. And then going with Stila again, Glitter and Glow, and the shade is same, Follow the Sun. I'm going on the inner corner. As you can see, I've used the same wet brush and also dragging it on the lower lash line, a little bit on the lower lash line. So this is how it looks like. I am loving it. And now I'm using its cashmere on the lower lash line, using the same fluffy blending brush that I used for the crease line. Going with Oh That's Rich again. Very much close to the lashes. I've used a flat brush. That's it. And dragging it upwards towards the outer corner. And completing the eye look. Just like that. And then blending it with the same blending brush. Keep it tight and just focus on the outer corner. That's it. That's all. Didn't I tell you it's a super easy and super glamorous look? And then I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Fluid Line Gel Eyeliner, and the shade is BlackTrack. Now for this look, since I have so much of glitter and shimmer on the eyelids, I really wanted to go with a nice thick wing. And that goes really well with the complete look. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a wing that I'm going to create today. It's like thick, dark, and long. That's how I create my wing. I keep building it up little by little. I'll first draw a line very much close to the lashes, and then I'm going to thicken it a little bit, and then I'm going to pull it out towards the eyebrows, and then dragging it down again towards the lash line. It's really easy to make a wing. It's not difficult if you practice. Ladies, I wanted a nice, long, thick wing for this look, and that really goes well with the shades that I have used. And that's also me relaxing and doing my wing because my back was aching and I needed to lay back and do the other eye, not focusing on the camera at all. And here is a full, thick, long wing for you. And these are my very own lashes, Farlie Solomon's eyelashes, and the lashes that I've used today is Love Queen. I love these lashes. They are thick, they are not really long, they are wearable, and they are gorgeous. So basically what I do is I just remove it out and then just bend it a little bit from holding the edges, bend it a little bit, and then just stick it on the lash line, just like that. Remember, there is no glue included in this. And this is still yet not on my website. If you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, I'm going to show you the link to the website and then where you could shop for these lashes if you want to. But like I said, they are super thick and full and wearable. The mascara that I've used today is Nars Climax, and this goes on the lower lashes too. And for the concealer, I have used Bobbi Brown and my shade is Honey. I'm going to list the products for you to understand the products that I have used today. The loose powder that I have used today is Kate Tokyo. As usual, I love this loose powder and it's called the Zero Base. So basically over the concealer, I'm using the loose powder. What this does is this prevents the concealer to crease. The bronzer that I have used today is my favorite bronzer in this whole wide world, and it's called Guerlain Terracota 03 Natural Brunette. So basically I'm using this to just sculpt my face. That's it. And then the jawline, and also not forgetting the nose. I love to shape my nose because I think that brings a very good nose. That brings a very good sharpness to my nose. It makes it more pointy and it makes it look more straight and it makes it look more narrower. That's it. How beautiful. The blush that I have used today is MAC A Little Lusty, and this is a very pigmented blush, so be careful when you use this blush because little is more than enough. It's way too much, I could say. So just be careful when you use this blush. It's a super gorgeous blush, but just be careful when you use it. You need to first apply very little of this product and then keep blending it as much as you can. And then I have used the loose powder under the blush, and I have just dragged it under the blush because this will give me that clean jawline. You know, the space between the jawline and under my cheeks, it's just going to make it clean, and the whole face looks totally different once I do that. The highlighter that I have used today is Laura Mercier Shimmer Block Peach Mosaic, and I think there is no highlighter better than Laura Mercier, I must say, because for me, although I have used so many highlighters, for me, I think this is the best highlighter for me. See, like I said, you know, it's nice and subtle, but it's there. It's pretty strong on the face, but it's there, and yep. For the lips, I have used Color Combos Shine On Me, and the shade is 02, and this is gloss. This is super shiny lip shade, and if you're looking for matte, this is not for you. So loves, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you liked this look as much as I loved creating this look for you. Happy holidays and a fantastic 2020. I will see you next year. Bye bye, take care.